Hello my beauties and welcome back to my channel. Today I have created a very simple, easy smoky eye glam for you. This literally used like 3 colours for my eye for this beautiful smoky eye. It's just something easy if you wanted to create a smoky look but without it being too difficult. This is a really easy way to create something very glam with minimal effort. And you can literally pair this with any lip that you like. I love to do it with a nude lip because you've got so much going on the eyes, just to kind of balance it out. But I really enjoyed creating this makeup tutorial for you guys. It's nice to just have like a more warm, cozy makeup look to go. So you can do this on an everyday basis if you like, for glam every day, or you can do this for going out and events. But it's really gorgeous, and you can even do it with like a very smoky eye. You can pair it with any colours that you like. It's just really simple. You have like one transition colour, bit of a darker brown, and then the darkest colour mixed with black on the lid. It's really easy, very simple to do, and yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the little bell button below if you want to get notified for when I upload. So guys, I hope you will enjoy watching this video, and if you want to find out how to get this look right again, just keep watching. Alright guys, so to start I'm going to take my Jaclyn Morphe palette, which is one of my absolute faves, and I'm going to take this mustard yellow colour on a fluffy blending Morphe brush. I'm just going to pop that colour just through my crease and just really blend it out, making sure there's no harsh lines. We're going to use this colour as our transition shade, just so that when we pop the darker shade on the lid, it'll be nice and blended. Then I'm going to go in with this darker mustard shade and just pop that a bit lower in the crease, just to give a little bit more definition. And I'm going to take my MAC 224 blending brush. I'm going to pick up this dark brown shade and we're going to pop that all over the lid just to build up the colour as a base. These colours are so pigmented, they're really easy to blend also. And then I'm just going to add some of my RCMA no colour translucent powder just underneath my eye, just so that if we have any fallout we can easily just dust that away. And I'm going to take that fluffy brush again and just blend through the transition just so it's blended nicely with the dark brown shade. And I'm going to pack on some more of that dark brown shade just on my lid. I'm going to take a bullet brush from Morphe. I'm going to start with that mustard colour just under the eye, and then pick up the dark brown shade and use that to deepen the under eye. I'm going to blend that out with my fluffy Morphe blending brush again, just so it's nice and seamless, and just pack on some more of that dark brown shade. I'm just going to go in with my Essence Extreme Lasting Black Liner just in my waterline. I'm also going to pop that on my tight line also, and just blend that through again with my bullet brush from Morphe. I'm going to blend it through so it's nice and blended and you don't have the harsh line from the black liner just to the shadow. Make sure everything is blended so you can't see any lines. Then I'm going to pick up some Modelrock Lashes, and I'm going to pop on also some Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. This is my absolute fave. So nice, so black, and with a couple of layers it looks amazing. So the eyes are all done now guys, and I'm going to dust away the bake and use some of my banana shade from my ABH powder contour kit. And I'm also going to pick up my Natio Bronzer, and just to bronze up the skin a little bit, just on my cheeks, my forehead and the jaw too. And I'm going to contour a little bit with my Benefit Hoola. I'm going to slightly contour my nose, not too much, just with the Benefit Hoola, and just blend that out also. I'm going to clean up the contour with the RCMA no colour powder and use some of my MAC Peaches blush just to give some colour to the cheeks, and dust away the bake while we're there. I'm going to take my absolute favourite Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. My gosh, this is such a stunning highlighter. It is so beautiful, and once you spray your face with Fix Plus or any setting spray at the end, it just looks stunning. I'm going to apply a little bit to my nose, my cupid's bow and my chin. I've been loving this as of late, and I also pop some on the top of my brow. Now this, guys, is the new Jennifer Lopez Inglot loose highlighter. It is stunning. I literally can't live without this at the moment. I've been using it every single day. It's so beautiful. And then just blend out the crease again just to make sure we have no harsh lines. And add some mascara with the lashes that we've popped on. Also to my bottom lashes. I'm also going to take my absolute holy grail MAC Nylon eyeshadow just for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone. This is honestly my favourite. I've been doing this for so long. I'm going to take my NYX Liquid Suede Lip Liner in London. This is such a nice nude colour. And I'm going to pair it with the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow Liquid Lipstick. I like to mix this colour with my new Sephora Lip Stain in, I think it's number 32. It's honestly so amazing, doesn't crease whatsoever, and it's not drying. And I'm going to set my skin with the Badescu Rosewater Spray and the Mecca Max Perfecting Mist. Alright guys, so this is the final result right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it was very simple for you to recreate. Just something really easy if you want that full glam look, but without that minimal effort. It really will suit any eye colour. You can use it for any event. Really simple, really easy, and you can pair with any lip, and it's good to go. Really easy go-to glam. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the little bell button below also, and also follow my Instagram, which is just Vitelli. I'll link it down below for you too. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Thank you.